2016 has been bigger in every respect. In terms of the number of entries that we received, we are running 30 teams, but we could have had 37 here if we could accommodate them. We had to refund, return, disappoint a lot of people.
The Indian chapter has grown tremendously. I mean, now you take top 3, I think it's top 2. You know, that is very, very exciting to see.
In terms of vehicle preparation, we are seeing something that we've never heard of before. Truly international class builds, cars running over 5,000cc engines. In terms of preparation, competitors, everything has reached what international level RFC is.
India, the growth is quite high compared to other countries which we have seen around. You know? They are all more ready to face anything goes. Anything goes, that's what we say.
South India challenge came up for RFC, so said, okay, we will be saving the entry fee if we win it. And so we went in for that event with a basic Jeep, and luck was with us, we won it. And here we are, out of the workshop, left turn, go out.
In terms of stages, yes, there are some difficult stages this time. There were, especially the right angle ones. They were not there for the last 2 years, which were there more for this year. So those were the most difficult ones. So it was good fun. Hard. The harder it is, the better it gets.
RFC's become bigger in every respect. The number of spectators we've had, I think half of Goa turned up to see. Even at a remote location where we are now, this beautiful campsite, last 2 days we've had people from towns nearby, everywhere coming. They're still coming today, asking where the action is. So it's really getting a lot of visibility in Goa. We've got representatives from leading automobile, lifestyle media, newspapers, electronic media all over the country. So it's become big, and I'm really happy that we're able to give visibility and give a return to our sponsors.
From previous years, with the sponsors coming on, that means one thing: the exposure is there. They've picked a sport or an event that a lot of people are watching worldwide and here in India, the RFC. It's growing all the time. From its first year now to its third, it's increased 300%. And people love it. I can't get over the crowds. Work days, where did all these people come from?
इस वारी टफ सीगा बहुत बट ਅਸੀਂ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਚਲੋ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ
सभी आरएफसी जो पार्टिसिपेंट थे सबने जो चैलेंज था एक्सेप्ट किया और वो उसने एक से एक टफ दिया और एक एक फाइटर सारे के सारे एक से एक योद्धा हैं यहाँ और वो लड़ाई लड़ी और किया लोगों ने पार किया। सारे की कोई स्टेज ऐसी नहीं जो किसी में डीएनए हुआ किसी में कोई दूसरा हो गया, जिसकी जो फर्स्ट जिसका नंबर आ गया किस्मत की बात वो पार हो गया नहीं तो कुछ ऐसे उलझे भी हैं मगर टफ था।
Of the event, don't push your luck and have two wheels out of the course all the way down.
Step by step we are coming to know the key between environment, the machine we are having and the fitness we are carrying. It's the three things which take you everywhere, anywhere and on time.
Boss, driver okay? Navigator?
The teams try very hard to complete the SS. This is something very exciting. Okay, fine, they know that they are not in the top ranking, but they keep on trying, you know. One thing we could see is that in spite of all this breakdown, or okay, I mean, they feel down, but they tackle, once they get repaired, they get on again to the next day. This is, again, very exciting to see.
RFC has become a cult. It's a cult in India. Every vehicle, every off-roader aspires to make a RFC spec vehicle. Every off-roader here is preparing. They're already telling me that we have 364 days left to prepare now for the next RFC. So it's right where anybody can aspire to be in the off-roading world. The most dominant event in the off-road space in India. have 10 hours from the time that you've entered to exit to earn 100 points. You cannot go and drive anywhere you want. It's a pristine forest area. We're not going to go and damage things there.
Third edition, they've done 24 SS and I tossed some great stuff at them. It was more technical, even more technical than what I could do in Australia. It was just constant. It wasn't one winch, it was 2 or 3 winches.
It's totally a winching experience. It's not 1 or 2 winches. We had to, like the diagram shows, there were 3 winching points, but it's not 3 winching points. We had to do at least minimum of 10 to 20 of them to get out of that place. And we were sliding all over the place.
ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਫਰੋਡਿੰਗ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਿੰਚਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ 2014 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਖੀ, ਦੇਖੀ, ਇਨਫੈਕਟ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖੀ। ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ 2015 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਸੀ ਵਿੰਚਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੈਨਲਟੀਜ਼ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੰਟਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਕੁਛ ਹੋਇਆ। ਸੋ ਉਹਦੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੀ ਲਾਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਵੀ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ।
The winching level, I came to know what it is and how much you can rely on a winch to do something like this, I understood now.
Most of them have handled it, you know. I just couldn't go easy on them on the last day. We had to keep the pressure on all the time.
RFC India has become the go-to event for all off-roaders in the country.
By competing, you don't need to be in the top 5. Competing alone gives you that bragging rights to say, yes, I've completed this RFC India.